Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Caesar dressing easy. Gather anchovies, garlic, egg yolks, parmesan, lemon, Dijon, olive oil, salt, and pepper before you start. First, mash garlic and anchovies into a paste, then whisk yolks, lemon, and Dijon until smooth. Slowly stream in olive oil to form a creamy emulsion. Taste and adjust acidity or salt, then toss with romaine and croutons for classic result. In this video, I will show how to make Caesar dressing easy. If raw egg is a concern, use Greek yogurt or mayonnaise as a stable base. For anchovy-free versions, a splash of Worcestershire adds savory depth without fishy notes. Use fresh lemon for brightness or bottled lemon juice when needed. Adjust thickness with a little water or oil and finish with freshly grated Parmesan for authentic flavor. In this video, I will show how to make Caesar dressing easy. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers keep your dressing secure and make transporting salads stress-free, so no spills on the commute. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Check the description for the product link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make Caesar dressing easy. Blend ingredients in a jar or use an immersion blender for a stable, silky emulsion in under a minute. Store the dressing in a sealed jar in the fridge and shake well before each use. Make quick croutons by tossing bread cubes with olive oil and toasting until golden. Serve with chilled romaine for best texture contrast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.